Hello everyone and welcome back to Altcoin Briefing. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing product which is known as Chicago Coin. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. Chicago Coin, empowering esports with blockchain innovation. Chicago Coin introduces CLT Token, a blockchain based solution revolutionizing the esports economy. Join a fair, transparent ecosystem connecting gamers, developers and fans. The market size by 2025 will be $2 billion plus. Also, the annual growth is 20%, which is really good. Also, the global viewers are more than 500 million, and tournament prize pool is more than $100 million. Down here, you can check out the roadmap. Roadmap started from June 2025, and they have updates all the way up to December 2026. So you can expect solid developments into this product. Down here, you can check out the white paper has been shown. There are total 9 pages. So you can check out the white paper as well. I will check the major updates such as the total supply is 1 billion. It's deployed on ERC20. Multi-chain compatibility as well as token distribution is shown here. Down onto the website, you can check out the partners, which includes Bit Exchange, ICO Agency, Crypto Forest, Bitco.in, Bitcoin as well as Coin Market. Down here, you can check out the about section, which includes their vision. So their vision is to revolutionize the esports industry by providing gamers with true ownership of digital assets, fostering collaboration and promoting economic inclusion through a decentralized economy, as well as the other details are given on the site. Though why you should choose them, because they have in-game transactions, community rewards, governance as well as cross-platform integration. So these are really good. Also, you can check out their ecosystem includes gamers, partners, developers as well as investors. Some of the frequently asked questions are given onto the website, such as it is being deployed on Ethereum chain. The pre-sale details are given. They are planning to raise more than $500,000 and you can purchase it with ETH, USDT or USDC. Also, you can claim the token instantly and check out some other details. Make sure you follow them onto their social media handles such as X, Telegram as well as YouTube handle to get to know more developments about this amazing product and came to know about the updates as soon as they do. And also, you can check out their audit. They have been audited by Quill Audit. Quill Audit is one of the top auditing company and you can check out the detail as well. They have considered the product as safe and secure. They had done a detailed audit and they had passed the audit. So this is really good. So make sure you participate into this amazing product and do some own research as well, because it video is for educational purposes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.